नमस्कार. ब्रिज कोर्स स्टँडर्ड 7th मॅथ्स डे 32 unit ratio and proportion. Today we are see unitary method. Before that we can see about ratio and proportion. What is the meaning of unitary method? Find the cost of one article from that of many by division. Then find the cost of many articles from that of one by multiplication. This method of solving a problem is called the unitary method. म्हणजेच आपल्याला एका आर्टिकलचं काय करायचं आहे, अगोदर किंमत फाइंड करायची आहे आणि त्यासाठी आपण भागाकार क्रिया वापरणार आहोत आणि नंतर जास्त आर्टिकलची किंमत शोधायची आहे, त्यासाठी गुणाकार क्रिया वापरणार आहोत. ज्या उदाहरणामध्ये आपण ही पद्धत वापरणार आहे त्यालाच एकमान पद्धत असे म्हणतात. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. एक्झाम्पल फर्स्ट. इफ 10 notebooks cost ₹200, find the cost of 4 notebooks. How can we solve? What is we given? Cost of 10 notebooks. How many? ₹200. Then we can find first cost of one notebook. We can divide 200 by 10. We can find a cost of one notebook. Answer is 200 divided by 10. Answer becomes 20 rupees. That means one notebook cost is 20 rupees. Then we can ask a cost of 4 notebooks. Therefore, we find cost of 4 notebooks by multiplication. One notebook cost is 20. We can find a cost of 4 notebooks. 20 multiply 4. Answer is 80 rupees. Therefore, cost of 4 notebooks is 80 rupees. Example second. A bunch of 15 bananas cost 45 rupees. How much will 8 bananas cost? First, we can given cost of 15 bananas, 45 rupees. We can find a cost of 1 banana. How can we find? We can take a total cost of 15 bananas. That means 45 divided by 15. 45 divided by 15, answer is 3 rupees. That means cost of 1 banana is 3 rupees. Cost of 8 bananas we can find. 1 banana 3 rupees and we can find a cost of 8 banana. 3 multiply 8. Answer becomes 24. The cost of 8 banana is 24 rupees. Next example is example 3. 10 kilogram rice cost is 325 rupees. Find the cost of 8 kilogram rice. Cost of 10 kilogram rice is given 325 rupees. First we find cost of 1 kilogram rice. How can we find? We can take a total cost and divide it by 10. Here answer is coming 32.50 rupees. How can we take a dividation? 325 divided by 10. मी तर करून दाखवते. 10 3s are 30, remaining 2. Next taken a number 5, 25. 10 2s are 20, remaining 5. Here we cannot take a next number, so we can take a decimal point. We get 1 0 for one step. 10 5s are 50. 32.5, that means 32.50 rupees. Next we can find a cost of 8 kilogram rice. 1 kilogram rice value is 32.50 rupees. Multiply by 8. Here I can solve first this example. 32.50 multiply by 8. We ignore the decimal point and multiply. 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, remaining 0, number carried over 4. 8 2s are 16, plus 4, 20, remaining 0, number carried over 2. 8 3s are 24, plus 2, 26. We can count a decimal place 1, 2, digit 2, 1, 2. That means answer becomes 260 rupees and 00 paise. That means the cost of 8 kilogram rice is 260 rupees. We can solve a given examples. First example, if 5 balls cost rupees 10, then find cost of 1 ball. We can given 5 balls cost. How many? 100 rupees. 5 balls cost is 100 rupees and we can find 1 ball cost. So we can divide 100 by 5. म्हणजेच अनेकावरून एकाची किंमत काढण्यासाठी आपण भागाकार क्रिया वापरतो. 100 divided by 5 becomes 20 rupees. 1 ball cost is 20 rupees. Second example, if 14 chairs cost rupees 5,992, how much will have to be paid for 12 chairs? We can give 14 chairs cost. How many? 5,992 rupees. And we can find 1 chair cost. 5,992 divided by 14. We can divide this. 5,992 divided by 14. We can first take 2 digit. 14 4s are 56. Remaining 3. Now taken 9. 14 2s are 28. Remaining 11. We can taken 2. 14 8s are 112. Remaining 0. Here division is, quotient is 428. That means 1 chair cost is 428 rupees. Now we can find 12 chairs cost. How can we find? 428 multiplied by 12. We can take here rough work. 428 12 multiplied by 12. 14. We can take here rough work. 428 multiplied by 12. 12 8s are 96. Remaining 9. Number carried. We can take a rough work here. 428 multiplied by 12. 12 8s are 96. Remaining 6. Number carried 9. 12 2s are 24 plus 9 33. Remaining 3. Number carried 3. 12 4s are 48 plus 3 51. The answer become 5,136 rupees. That means 12 chairs have to be paid 5,136 rupees. Next example, the weight of 30 boxes is 6 kilogram. What is the weight of 1080 such boxes? We can give an information. The weight of 30 boxes is 6 kilogram. First we find the weight of one box. 6 divided by 30. 6 divided by 30 taken in this way and find a simplest form. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. That means we can divide this fraction by 6. So simplest form become 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 1 upon 5. Now we can find the weight of 1080 boxes. 1080 boxes multiplied by 1 upon 5 kilogram. the weight of 1080 boxes, find 1080 multiply by 1/5. आता इथं फ्रॅक्शन आलेलं आहे. फ्रॅक्शनमध्ये आपण काय करतो, पार्ट फाइंड करतो. कशा पद्धतीने, तर या डिनोमिनेटरने 1080ला आपण डिवाइड करणार आहोत. रफ वर्क बघा. 1080 डिवायडेड बाय 5. 5 2s are 10, remaining 0. Take a number 8. 5 1s are 5, remaining 3. Next we take a number 0. Number become 30. 5 6s are 30. The remainder is 0 and quotient is 216. That means the weight of 1080 boxes is 216. So the weight of 1080 such boxes is 216 kilogram. First we can find one object value or cost, and then we can find many object cost. This is a unitary method. Thank you.